Good morning everyone. Myself Mohammad Faraz Malik. I am here from Rotary Junior College, Science 11 FYJC. So I am here today to demonstrate you the project on the topic pollution which undercomes health and hygiene. So let us start with the demonstration. So my main concept today is to show you the sources, causes and effects of pollution which we can also see in our day-to-day life. So as you can see in the first model, it demonstrates how one particular industry harms the entire ecosystem which intoxicates the environment around it. And after I demonstrate all that has happened related to pollution and it's happening in the recent decades, I will come to my second model in which I will elaborate what we can do as countries with all the possible scientific advances and also as living beings in general. So first let me tell you that I have opted to demonstrate this on a chemical industry in general. Now there are many types of chemical industries, so we are here only talking about a random chemical industry and not any specific one. But there is no chemical factory or industry which does not harm the environment in some or the other way. Now this particular factory alone is responsible for water, air, land and noise pollution altogether. As we can see, it generates harmful chemical waste. Harmful chemical waste and liquid at gaseous form, which is directly dumped into the water bodies nearby, which harms the entire hydrosphere. As the fishes intake these chemicals and transfer it to other parts of the body, when they swim around, it harms the human pollution when we consume these fishes, as some chemical may affect only for a short term, but some can affect the genetics of the human body, which can get carried out on for generation. As you can see over here, some fishes are also dying because of this pollution. And as you can see, the waste is directly dumped in the water from the factory. As you can see, the fishes are dead. So it is also causing harm to the hydrosphere. Then this very same water comes to your homes in some or the other way, which again is responsible for many harmful diseases in humans. Now let's talk about land. Now let us start with land and noise pollution. Okay, so as you can see, this particular factory, chemical industry, is generating a lot of waste over here. As you can see, the chemical tank are being, as you can see, this particular chemical tank is being laid down on the ground, which is again causing land pollution. And as you can see over here, the land is being polluted because some of the pollutants can't be poured into the water and which are not dissolvable, so they directly pour the toxic pollution onto the land, and it is also causing soil pollution. As you can see, there are dead plants also. Okay. As you can see, which is also causing land pollution, and it is also being dumped directly from the factory into the soil, and it is causing a landfill. So what is a landfill? A landfill is a place where all the waste of the factory is being dumped and which is causing harm to the environment. As you can see, there are some dead plants over here. As you can see, which not only harms the soil with all its bioorganisms but also destroys the surrounding environment with its foul smell, causing air pollution, leading to respiratory problems, cardiac diseases, usually in children and elderly humans. Now sometimes this waste is even after breaking down harmful in simpler forms and then dumping it. So it is burned quickly and then left on the same landfill, which again causes air pollution. As we are breathing this air every day and is harming our respiratory system. Now if we go on to a never-ending debate if how pollution harms the environment and what happens, so we actually need to focus on how we can fix it in a better way. So let's come to my second one, which demonstrates a solution, a simple and easy solution which all the factories and industries should adapt. It is a solution for the reduce of the portion which will reduce pollution. So let's come to my second model, which shows easy and convenient setup methods. Okay, so as we have talked about the pollution, so it's a never-ending debate. So we can move on to the solution. So let's come to my second model, which is demonstrating the solution to the problem and convenient and easy setup methods which all industries in general can opt apart from chemical industries also. So in this chemical industry, the methods used are the scientific methods and they are not causing pollution. So as you can see, the energy which is being used the energy which is being used is used with the. So as you can see, the energy being used in this chemical industry is being generated by the windmill, which is a natural source of energy. So it is not causing pollution, and as you can see, there is much greenery around the factory, and there is also a society next to it which is also using a natural source of light which is coming from the sun and solar panels which are generating electricity. And as you can see, the size of the land is being reduced, so the land is not getting used that much and it is being convenient. The workshop and the industry is combined, which is using lesser space, and the pollutants being thrown into the water, but they are being filtered. As you can see, the water is much cleaner over here. And the fishes are also not getting that polluted as it was getting in the earlier industry which we saw. So the conclusion is we should shift from this setup to this. Why? As you have seen in the earlier explanation that this is consuming much more land, this is not consuming much more land, this is consuming electricity which is being generated by burning fossil fuels, which is causing harm to the environment. And as you can see, the energy used over here is the energy being used naturally. It is the wind energy which is being used. It is the solar energy which is coming from the sun, which is a natural source. It is not being polluted. You can see the greenery over here. There is no greenery over here. And there is the pollution on the land and no pollution over here. So the better one the best option for us is to shift from this setup to this.